Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can extract audio from video in Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to Capcut and we're going to extract audio from this video. So the first thing we have to do is click on the video like this, and we're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find extract audio. And it's over here guys, just tap on it. Oh, I'm sorry. Just tap on extract audio, then the audio will be extracted, and this is the extracted audio. And if we want to extract audio from another video, we can simply click on audio button right here and just click on sounds, and we can tap on this and we can tap on this button, then select extract sound from video and choose the video that you want to extract to audio. And I'm just going to select this video, and after that we can click import sound only. Alright, and just click on this plus button, and this is the extracted audio, so we can import the audio by clicking on this plus button. Okay guys, and that's how we can extract audio from video in Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.